Hello everyone, Triple N here, and look what I have for you today. As you can see, it's been addressed to me. Let me be honest, I cheated. I already know what's inside this. I've had a good look at it, but I've not opened the actual package that was in it. So let's get right down to it. Oh well, it looks like it's been opened by the customs. That makes it kind of easy to open. The reason why I repacked this the way it came to me is because I wanted to, share the experience of opening a brand new package with all my viewers. And ta-da, though it's upside down. My very first parts order from LCSC. Now the funny thing is LCSC stands for Love Components Save Cost, and I think I did save quite a bit of cost on this one. It was much cheaper than what I'd get from DigiKey or Mouser. So let's see what's in it. Comes in a nice cardboard box. A bunch of loose papers. Okay, well I think this is the parts list. Oh my. They could have done this on a single paper, but they didn't. Well, I'm not used to the Chinese. This is my first order from China, so I guess there'll be a lot of little things like that. And this is what I've been waiting for. Oh my. It all comes in nice anti-static bags from what I can see. So let's put everything on the desk. Lots of bubble wrap to play with, of course. I'll be saving it. First off, these anti-static bags seem to be quite big for what comes inside them. These are surface mount regulators. Yeah, fixed regulators. Where do I put these things? Once I've opened them. Oh well, they come in a resealable bag, so that's nice. I hope my hands are not static. I'll just touch the metal case of my power supply to make sure that I'm not charged. And oh my, these things are delicate. I've never bought brand new surface mount parts before. So from what I've seen on other YouTube channels, you just use your pliers to open this plastic cover, take a single part out and put it back. And these holes are for assembly machines, I think. Not sure, I've never done this sort of thing before. So these are miniature 5-volt regulators. Let me see if I can find them on the parts list. Yes, there. Yes, I received those. Let me put this back inside so I don't lose it. Typical of me, losing stuff. Next up we have, and this thing is just a rock. A very personal, okay, I won't go into that. This is a 3.3k ohm, 3/4 of a watt resistor. 2010 size. Well, the minimum order quantity was 50. I don't know what I'm gonna do with so many, but heck yes, I got them. I have to use them. They look much smaller in real life. I don't know if you can see these. Focus. Yes, so as you can see, they have been marked. Oh no, this is upside down. This is the, some of them are upside down, some of them are the right way up. How interesting. Anyways, these are 3.3k ohm, 3/4 of a watt resistor. I think I ordered 1 watt, but I don't think it makes a huge difference. I'll tell you what all these parts are for later. Mainly for the cap charger. Multi-layer ceramic cap, 1 micro, 50 volts. I don't think we have to go through all of them. I think all of you have seen SMD caps before. triac optocouplers. Yeah, I think this should be more interesting. And I think I'll do all the crossing out work later. Well. I could afford only one of these optocouplers. These things cost a fortune. I'm gonna be using them for the trigger board, as I've mentioned in the update video. I have only one, so if I blow this thing up, I'm screwed. 16 volt 1 microfarad. I don't know. Wait, I think I already had a 1 microfarad capacitor ordered, but anyway, this is what they look like. Resistors 10 mega ohms 0805, nothing too special about those. 10 nanofarad ceramic caps. Voltage reference. This is a TL431. These things are tiny, and I don't know why they have such a huge bag for something that's smaller than my fingernail. Anyways, this is a triac optocoupler. I think I got 2 of these in case one of them blows up. So this is just the safety system, a part of the safety system for the railgun, an automatic discharge mechanism of sorts. This is a 2N3904 transistor, NPN. Wait, is it NPN or is it PNP? Oh well, Chinese. High voltage capacitors, 1 nanofarad, 1000 volt, 0805. I don't know. Yeah, I think this was for the timing on the 555 timer. No, or was it for decoupling? Yeah, I couldn't be bothered. I can always check those up. And this is the holy grail. I want to open this right now. These are my first set of SMD, come on, 555 timers. I probably shouldn't be treating them this way. These are genuine Texas Instruments chips. I would have gotten 3, but I couldn't afford them as usual. They go in like that. More caps, 100 nanofarads this time. These are 560 ohm resistors. All of the SMD resistors that I've gotten are 0805 because I found that they are a very convenient size to work with. This is a TLP 117 dip optocouplers. Let me see. I don't remember what this one was for. I had a total of 2 kinds of optocouplers on my trigger board. One of them was a logic level thing. I think this is it. 2 of them in case I blow one up. And these are some huge 2512 current sensing shunt resistors. I think I should definitely show you these. They are the largest size of SMD resistors you can find, I think. Well, I'm sure there are bigger ones, but these are quite big. I don't know if my SMD scale has the right size. No. The largest one on this is 2010 and this is one size bigger, as you can see right there. Right, so how many of these did I get? 20. Yes, so the minimum order quantity again is 20. That's the worst thing about suppliers like this. They won't let you get away with how many parts you need. They always give you more. This is a 4.7 microfarad 16 volt ceramic. It's nice to have them labeled. All this SMD parts I have right now are just in a state of disarray. I haven't labeled anything, so I hope I can keep these safe. MOSFET drivers, of course, the TC4427s. Two of them, one for the trigger board and one for the cap charger. I don't have any backups in case I blow these up. I'll have to wait for another 20 days. And they come in a neat kind of a plastic thing. Well, it's wrapped in tape. SOIC package. All I can honestly say is that these things are a lot smaller than I imagined they would be. I think that's what you can say if you're working with SMD. Resistors 5.1k, 50 of them as usual. These are caps. Yes, 10 mic, 16 volts. I suppose this should be more interesting. They are red LEDs, 25 to 45. Oh, okay, I thought that was the amps. Milli CD. I wonder what CD stands for at 5 milliamps. Let's have a look at those. I hope these are somewhat tolerant to heat. Let's see if I can look at them under magnifying glass. Focus. Yes. No, I don't think this is gonna work out. Anyway, these are SMD LEDs, 20 of them. Looks like I'm stocked for life. Next up, more chips. LM2940Gs. Two of them again. So these are basically just 5 volt low dropout regulators. And finally, these are 1N4148 diodes. I have the through hole version. I've used the SMD ones in the cap charger to save space. So yes, that's pretty much it for my first order from LCSC, and I must say I'm quite happy. They reached me in something like 22 days. I ordered them on the 29th of September. So not bad. Time seems to have passed quite quickly. So all that's left now are the PCBs. Thank you for watching.